hold it right there, a little to the left. All right, easy down now. All right, bring it back slowly. Watch the clearance on the right. Hold it steady. A little more to the left. Forks up. Look at the corrosion on the frame mount.
Yeah,
the rocker panel.
Yeah, the rocker panel is completely gone here.
Pull the hood mounts here and here.
And these roof sections are definitely coming out.
I'll diagram the door cuts on this side.
Right here you can see the extent of the rust on the radiator support, and down here these connections are heavily corroded from moisture damage.
Look at the state of this frame. Serious pitting here.
Yeah, it's going to take all week just to clean this section.
Make sure that guide is perfectly straight.
I'm set on the line right here.
Hold it steady. We only get one shot at this. Check the measurement again on the door frame. We need to confirm the cut line before we start.
Okay, running the caliper now. Looks like we have a 1/2 inch buffer right here.
See how thin this is here? It won't hold a weld. This side is even worse. We're looking at a full replacement.
Just a hair to the left. Perfect, hold it right there.
Got it. The gap looks consistent now.
This side reads 48.255.
That's still too long compared to the opposite diagonal. We need to adjust here.
All right, set that fender against the mount right there.
Does the bolt hole line up on your side?
Almost. We need to shift it back a 1/4 inch. Apply a little pressure to the top.
Okay, how does that gap look now?
That's perfect. Lock it down.
The alignment on this quarter panel is solid now.
Yeah, the welds look good. We can start prepping the surface for the epoxy primer. The primer spots are blending well on the door.
Yeah.
Look at the corrosion on this fender. We need to address that next. This section here is ready for the primer. What do you think about the rear fender?
Looks good. We can start masking that area now.
This rust needs more attention before we move forward.
Agreed. I'll smooth out the primer on the hood while you focus there.
I'm worried about this spot right here. See the bubbling?
Yeah, we should sand that down and reapply before it settles completely.
Now that the masking is gone, you can see the pitting. We need to hit this entire section again before we prime.
Okay, so strip it back down to bare metal here.
Exactly, make sure it's perfect this time.